if f of x equal to x power n, then the value of f of 1 minus f dash of 1 by 1 factorial plus f double dash of 2 1 by 2 factorial minus f triple dash of 1 by 3 factorial plus etc. minus 1 whole power n f n of 1 by n factorial is option A1, option B 2 power n, option C 2 power n minus 1, option D 0. F of x equal to x power n. F dash of x nx power n minus 1. F double dash of x n into n minus 1 x power n minus 2. F triple dash of x n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 x power n minus 3. F n of x n into n minus 1 n minus etc. 1. So f of 1, that is 1, f dash of 1 n, f double dash of 1 n into n minus 1, f triple dash of n into n minus 1 into n minus 2, f n of 1, that is n factorial. Therefore, f of 0 minus say f of 1 minus f dash of 1 by 1 factorial plus f double dash of 1 by 2 factorial minus f triple dash of 1 by 3 factorial minus 1 whole power n f n of 1 by n factorial equal to 1 minus n by 1 factorial plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial minus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 3 factorial plus etc. minus 1 whole power n by n factorial into n factorial. So this can be written as NC naught. This is nothing but equal to NC1 plus NC2 minus NC3. So minus 1 whole power and NCN. Alternate signs we are having. Odd terms are equal to even terms, so the sum should be equal to 0. Option D is correct. We know that NC0 plus NC2 plus NC4 equal to NC1 plus NC3. So even terms equal to odd terms. So even terms the positive sign, odd terms the minus sign. If you add them, answer will be 0. Next question, let's f of x be a polynomial function of second degree. If f of 1 equal to f of minus 1, and if ABC are in AP, then f dash of A, f dash of B are in option A, arithmetic geometric progression, option B, AP, GP, HP. So let's f of x be ax square plus b plus is a polynomial of second degree. So f of 1 equal to f of minus 1, that is given. Which implies a plus b plus c equal to a minus b plus c. So 2b equal to 0, so b equal to 0. Therefore, f of x equal to ax square plus c. F dash of x 2ax f dash of a 2a into a, f dash of b 2a into b, f dash of c 2a into c. So A comma B comma C are in AP, which implies 2A squared, 2AB, 2AC are in AP, and each term is multiplied sometime, the result also in AP. But 2A squared equal to F dash of A, here F dash of B, F dash of C are also in AP. Let y be an implicit function of x defined by x power 2x into x power x cot y cot 2 minus 1 equal to 0. Then y dash of 1 equals option A 1, option B log 2, option C minus log 2, option D minus 1. X power 2x minus 2 x power x cot y minus 1 equal to 0. If you divide by x power x throughout, x power x minus 2 cot y minus 1 by x power x equal to 0. 2 cot y equal to x power x minus 1 by x power x. Let u equal to x power x. 2 cot y u minus 1 by u. Differentiating with respect to x, 2 into for cot y minus cosecant squared y, for y dy by dx equal to 1 plus 1 by u squared into for u 1 1 by u minus 1 by u square, minus minus plus u, for u du by dx. So we have taken u equal to x power x. So we have to find du by dx. Log u equal to log x power x, that is x log x, 1 by u du by dx equal to 1 into log x plus x into 1 by x. This will be cancelled. Du by dx equal to 1 plus log x into u that is x power x into 1 plus log x. So du by dx equal to 1 plus 1 by u square, u equal to x power x. So one plus x power x the whole square into du by dx, that is x power x into 1 plus log x whole divided by minus 2 1 plus cot squared y. In place of cosecant squared y, we can write cot squared y. One plus x power 2x into x power x 1 plus log x divided by minus 2 into 1 plus cot squared y. If you multiply inside, x power x plus 1 by x power x 1 plus log x divided by minus 2 into 1 plus cot squared y. X power x plus x power minus x 1 plus log x divided by minus 2 into 1 plus cot squared y. So this is du by dx. X power x plus x power minus x 1 plus log x divided by minus 2 into 1 plus cot squared y. So x power 2x minus x power x cot y minus 1 equal to, that is given statement. So when x equal to 1 minus cot y minus 1 equal to 0, which means cot y equal to 0. So when x equal to 1, cot y equal to 0, dy by dx equal to 1 plus 1 log 1 0 minus 2 1 plus cot y 0 2 by minus 2 minus 1. So option D is correct. Next, let f be a function from minus 1 to minus 1. Minus 1 to minus 1 to R. Be a differentiable function with f of 0 equal to minus 1 and f dash of 0 equal to 1. Let g of x equal to f of 2f of x plus 2 f of 2f of x plus 2 the whole squared, then g dash of is equal to minus 4 0 minus 2 4. G of x equal to f of 2 into f of x plus 2 the whole squared. So g dash of x twice f of 2 into f of x plus 2 into f dash of f dash of 2 into f of x plus 2 into 2 into f dash of x. So g dash of 0 equal twice f of 2 into f of 0 plus 2 2 into f of 0 plus 2 2 into f dash of 0 2 into f of 0 equal to minus 1. So f of 2 into f of 0 minus 1. So minus 2 plus 2 f dash of f of 0 minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 2 into f dash of 0 1. So 2 into f of 0 into f dash of 0 into 0. This is minus 1. So plus 1 into 2, that is minus 4. So option A is correct. If x square plus y squared plus sin y equal to 4, then the value of d square by dx squared at x equal to at minus 2 comma 0 is minus 34, minus 32, minus 2 and 4. So differentiating with respect to x, 2x plus 2y du by dx plus cos y into du by dx equal to 0. Du by dx into 2y plus cos y equal to minus 2x. du by dx equal to minus 2x by 2y plus cos y. At minus 2 comma 0 du by dx equal to minus 2 into for x minus 2 2y, that is 0 plus 1 4. So at minus 2 comma 0 dy by dx equal to 4. So 2x plus 2y dy by dx plus cos y dy by dx. Again differentiate with respect to x2, 2 into dy by dx into dy by dx y into d squared y by dx squared minus sin y into dy by dx into dy by dx plus cos y into d square by dx equal to 0. d squared y by dx squared into cos y plus 2y equal to sin y into dy by dx. The minus will come this side plus. Here 2 into dy by dx whole square minus 2 into dy by whole square minus 2. So d squared y by dx squared equal to dy by dx whole squared into sin a minus 2 whole divided by cos y plus 2y. At minus 2 comma 0 d squared y by dx squared equal to, we know this is equal to 4 sin 0 0 minus 2 minus divided by cos 0 1 2. d will hold this 4 squared. So minus 32 minus 2 minus 34. If f of x equal to two into 3x 2 into 3 power x one plus 9 power x then f dash of minus 1 by 2 equals root 3 into log root 3 plus e minus root 3 log root 3 to the base e minus root 3 log 3 to the base e root 3 log 3 to the base e. So f of x equal to sine inverse of 2 into 3 power x 1 plus 3 square power x sinus of 2 into 3 power x divided by 1 plus, so 3 squared power x means 3 power 2x 3 power x the whole square, that's why he written. Equal to sinus of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, where 3 power x equal to tan theta. Sinus of this is equal to sin 2 theta, 2 theta tanus of 3 power x. So f of x equal to 2 into tanus of 3 power x. F dash of x equal to 2 into 1 by 1 plus 3 power x whole square 3 power x into log 3. For a power x into log a, 3 power x into log 3. We need f dash of minus 1 by 2, 2 by 1 plus 3 power minus 1 by 2 whole square 3 power minus 1 by 2 log 3. Two by 1 plus 1 by root 3 the whole square 1 by root 3 log 3. Two by 1 plus 1 by 3 log 3, 2 by 4 by 3 1 by 3 log 3. Two 3 by 2 1 by root 3 log root 3, root 3 by 2 log here we have log 3 only, log 3 only having log 3. root 3 whole square. Root 3 by 2, 2 into log root 3 equal to root 3 log root 3. So option A is correct. Next one, if x equal to root of 2 cosecant of t, y equal to root of 2 secants of t, modulus t greater equal to 1. Then dy by dx y by x minus y by x minus x by y, that is x by y. X into y root of 2 cosecant of t, 2 secants of t, root of t 2 secants of t equal to 2 into secants of t cosecant of t to power pi by 2. So secant of x plus cosine is equal to pi by 2. We have answer. So differentiating with respect to x. For x 1, here we have xy plus x into dy by dx. This is constant. If we differentiate 0. So dy by dx equal to minus y by x. So option B is correct. If 2x equal to y power 1 by 5 plus y power minus 1 by 5, and x square minus 1 d squared y by dx squared plus lambda x dy by dx plus ky equals 0. Then lambda plus k is equal to minus 23 minus 24 26 minus 26. So y power 1 by 5 plus y power minus 1 by 5 equal to 2x. A minus b equal to a plus whole square minus ab. Y power 1 by 5 minus y power minus 1 by 5 equal to y power 1 by 5 plus y power whole square minus 2 into y power 1 by 5 y power minus 1 by 5 equal to, so this one is equal to x, 4x square minus 2, this is y power 0. So that y power 1 by 5 minus y power minus 1 by 5 equal to root of 4x square minus 2. Adding 2 into y power 1 by 5 equal to 2x plus root of 4x square minus 2. So y power 1 by 5 equal to 2x plus root of 4x square minus 2 by 2. Sorry, here you should have 4. A minus b equal to a plus whole square minus 4. I written formula wrongly. Here minus 4. So that here you should have minus 4. X plus x square minus 1, y equal to x plus root of whole power 5. We have y power 1 by 5, we bring this side 5. So y equal to x plus root of x square minus 1 whole power 5. So dy by dx 5 into x plus root of x whole power 4, 1 plus 1 by twice root of x square minus 1 into 2x. This will be cancelled. So 5 into x plus root of x square minus whole power 4 root x square minus 1 plus x divided by root of x square minus 1. So 5 into x plus root of x square minus 1 whole power 5 divided by root of x square minus 1. So this is equal to y, that is 5y by root of x square minus 1. If we bring this side, so root of x square minus 1 into dy by dx equal to 5y. X square minus 1 d square y by dx square dy by dx whole squared equal to 25 y squared. Again differentiate with respect to x. 2x into dy by dx the whole squared plus x square minus 1 into 2 into dy by dx into d square by dx squared equal to 50y into dy by dx. Dividing by 2 dy by dx, we get dy by dx x dy by dx x square minus 1 to d squared y by dx square plus 25 y. X squared minus 1 d square by dx squared plus x dy by dx minus 25y equal to 0. So comparing this to ky minus 25y. So k equal to minus 25. X dy by dx lambda x. So lambda equal to 1. Lambda k minus 24. So option B is correct. If y equal to e power x, then d squared y by dx squared into d squared x by dy squared equal to dy squared is equal to n e power nx n e power minus nx d equal to minus n e power minus nx. not e power ax e power nx. So dy by dx n into e power nx d squared y by dx squared n squared e power nx. So y equal to e power nx, nx equal to log y equal to x equal to 1 by n log y dx by dy 1 by n 1 by y d squared x by dy squared minus 1 by n y squared minus 1 by n e power y means e power nx, y square means e power 2nx. So d squared y by dx squared into d squared x by d y squared n squared e power nx into minus 1 by n e power 2nx. So n into e power nx e power minus 2nx minus n into e power minus nx. So option D is it's correct. So we have seen different previous year questions. Next session we will discuss more. Thank you.